that we have a fire go already. Some black pepper, salt, scotch bonnet pepper, and a clove of garlic. That will be with basics to fry the fish. Alright, so just add some oil to the pot now, people. Just use a knife, crush the garlic and peel it. And the scotch bonnet, you want it open so the seeds get burnt as well. Alright? So get the scotch bonnet in there, make it go and get hot and flavor oil. Just a clove of garlic in there as well. And go on to them thing. So you're going to make them stay in there till them get dark. Matter of fact, some people just leave them in there all the way through frying the fish. They never actually take it out. We already have the salt and black pepper here. So you basically are going to mix them. You don't really need nothing fussy. Fresh fish. The simpler the better. So you just continue this, get with black pepper and salt. A fish drumstick. Alright, almost there, people. This is what I'm talking about. So you get it all the way back. So you can go ahead and start adding your fish. Sorry about having to do everything with one hand, guys, but that's just the way it is sometimes, you know. You have to get it done all by yourself, then you get it done. Alright, so we didn't actually take out the pepper or the garlic. We left it in there, and that's totally fine. This is after about 10 minutes. I know it's golden brown, as you can see, on each side. So I'll take them out now. Alright guys, so the head there is almost finished. We're going to go ahead and add some more pieces. So that's the head. Those are the rest. Alright, so this is the last couple of pieces to end the frying of the fish. Last couple of pieces. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take out this piece. Alright guys, so here we go. This is the last piece. And we're finished. Turn down the stove. Alright my people, so you know I do the frying part of the fish already. Alright, so that's only half of the recipe. Where's the Rasta?
Make it look good, you know? Quick and fast.
Alright, so we'll show you what I go on now. We have some scotch bonnet pepper here, so some golden onion. And we have one green bell pepper. Right there we have some vegetable oil.
We have a good old vinegar to see you with.
Yeah.
We can't do escovitch without the vinegar.
Right. So you know we fry the fish already. So this, all of this sauce here, the escovitch sauce, I go all over the fish. Alright, so see it there now. That is the way you slice everything up, people. Get the onion rings. Get the scotch bonnet pepper cut in rings as much as you can also.
These are the flavors they call Jamaica color.
The fool don't make so much nice. Imagine. Be nice, you know. Yes, you already know. Alright. Alright, so what's going to happen now is you basically a pickle your vegetable. Alright, just a way to speed up the pickling process. So you know usually people when they pickle stuff them put it down for weeks or months. But instead of pickling your vegetable for weeks or months like I said before, this speed up the process. So you get the sour taste in your onion, in your bell pepper, in your scotch bonnet pepper, just by heating it with a little bit of oil and your vinegar. And then it's perfect to go up on your fried fish.
You want the onion to crunch.
And at this point you don't need your fire to be too high either. When you get a little bit translucent, when you almost can't see through it, then you can remove the pot from the fire.
Who can do it, if you watch me, you'll definitely do it in your yard because it's not hard. No joke, very easy.
Don't try that at home, people. That's a pro move. That's a pro move, people. What's happened to you?
Nothing more at all.
Alright, so all that sauce basically gets soaked into the vegetable. And when you're serving this, each piece of fish that you serve, what you're going to do is put a bit of the vegetable with each serving.
Put this down, you get 2 roast breadfruit now. And you really know so COVID-19 is not a problem. Just that we just can't go nowhere. But in reality, run yourself and make 2 hands meat.
Sure.
Very simple.
Alright, so what we have there, people. How we look? How we looking? Want some?
Let me know what I go on.
See there, so we go from the sea to this. Fresh fish, ESCOVEITCHED.
I drink a rum right now, a cold rest right there.
Yeah?
And then, yeah, we have to start out something. Because this is really all we have to live for.
Right.
No matter how much money you make, if you not feed yourself and eat good, start here. And man, you love drink rum and red stripe beer. I say my left rug, they have to get 2 whiskies fish with one peg bread. No fridge, pay for this.
It's a good food when you're drinking alcohol. Because what happens now is the vinegar soak into the fish. And it's almost like it cured it. So it does last a whole lot longer than normal.
I think I can actually send you some food. If you give me an address, I'll send you some food through Tara.
Yeah man, so there we go. All those pretty colors, look at that. Green, red and gold, how about that? Me, I gotta do a little taste test. Sorry, I have to taste this. Alright people, so I already start eating fish. Very good. And the way how it was fried, it's not too dry, which makes a big difference. So, yeah man. You say you don't want none, stop eating up my food.
No man, onion. Onion good for man them
No
balls.
man, I tell you, if you take I don't want none yet.
But the onion good for man ball. Right now people more cuss because they don't get done.
So that is what is left. That's the remnants. Yeah? Alright, so that's it. That's all I have for you for today.
And I say welcome again and wish you guys to see us again, and we'll be here another day cooking something special. One love, simplicity.